everyone, my name is Amanda Else and I'm Advanced Glazing's Limited Marketing Manager. Finally, integration of insulated metal panels and glass that works, performs, and adds value to your building. So today is going to be one of several videos on this topic, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and to ring the bell up top to have a notification every time we upload a new video. So let's get started on today's video, which is the system construct details of SoleraWall insulated glass cladding system. So to begin, you're going to want to have your sill tray level and your backer plate plumb. You're going to start with your starter pieces. So they have an M foam that's part of the air and water sealant. So this just screws in place, and we may have to make sure to do the other side as well. Okay, so then you have your sill cap, and there is a hole in here as part of the rain screen system. So the way that works is it just slides into place, just like so. And so then you have your U gaskets, and they go on top of the starter. You want to make sure those are level and in place properly. And the other side. Okay, so then you have your panels. These are translucent panels, and there's two important pieces on the backer plate to note here. So there is a toggle. This helps to secure the panel in place. Ending block helps to support the weight of the panel on the system. So one and two. So next you're going to want to have to take your Allen key, and you're going to want to guide the toggle into place before you lock it and secure it. Okay, and then you're almost done. So next you have another part of the rain screen system. This is a vertical gasket that just pops into place like so, and then you have your horizontal gaskets for the bottom. And that's it, you're done. This is your completed SoleraWall insulated glass cladding system model. And before you go, we have something else to show you. Another scaled down model of the SoleraWall insulated glass cladding system, but we also have it in translucent and vision. So the way this works, it's both panels are put together the exact same way. The translucent and the vision both are a tongue and groove system. They have place for the toggle to go into place, and the setting block, and the rain screen system. All of that is the same. So this is another option if you want views in your building. You can put the views on top of the daylighting, beside, or below. That is a style choice of yours, and it's great for occupants to have access to the exterior in their space while working, or any other use of the building. So that's something to keep in mind for your next project.